Camping doesn't have to be rough. Read this advice. Enjoying the great outdoors on a camping trip can be a lot of fun for the whole family or just an individual alone looking for a little R&R. The following video is full of great advice you need to know to make your next camping trip easier, more convenient and especially, more enjoyable. Although it is not an essential part of your backcountry camping gear, a machete is something that you may consider packing depending on where you are going. It is a very versatile tool in the wilderness. You can cut a trail, hack bamboo and vines for shelter, cut coconuts for water, chop firewood, and even use it as protection against wild animals. While you have this vision of a fun-filled camping trip, many times scrapes and cuts just seem to come with all that fun. Be sure you take a first aid kit with you into nature because accidents just happen, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Hopefully, it will stay packed safely away, but you will have the peace of mind that you are prepared if something does happen. If you have a toddler, pack a blanket. You can lay it out on the ground and use it as a makeshift play area. Bring cars, dolls, or whatever items your child is into. They can play without getting too dirty and you can instruct them that they need to keep their toys on the blanket for safekeeping. This will help to keep things from getting too spread out. Camping is definitely a fun time, but there might also be uninvited guests at your campsite. Who are these guests? Bugs. This is their environment and they like camping, too. Make sure you have bug repellent with you to tell them to stay at their own campsite or to go visit other campers who weren't quite as prepared as you were. Ask family or friends who are camping with you for their input on your camping location. Have a conversation about where you want to go. There are thousands upon thousands of places to choose from. If it is easier, select a few of your personal favorites and then let the entire family vote. What better way to spend your hard-earned vacation time than a stay in the woods by a campfire? Hopefully this video has shown you new and better ways of dealing with all the little challenges posed by roughing it, and will make your next outing all the more fun. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.